You've got to try and hit him hard. In favour of Ливаза, I think the work he did to the body is won him the round essentially, because I think he's found it a little bit different, that kind of beat or rhythm to his work that you could pick up and become attuned to. He's just creeping in there, and the balance there is absolutely fun.
Corner representing Kyrgyzstan.
There just hasn't been anything like enough urgency from him. It could well be the case that he come forward and really look to open up that could have got picked off. That's always a possibility, but you have to roll that dice.
Провел 5 боев, 5 отличных боев. То есть с первого боя сразу были уже сильные соперники с Узбекистана, с Арменией, Азербайджана и так далее. В общем, турнир был на высшем уровне. Ну вот и заняли второе место.